the latest updates in the motorcycle world. Today, we are diving into one of the most anticipated supersport bikes of the year, the 2025 Honda CBR600RR. After years of refinement and loyal fan support, Honda has brought some serious upgrades to the table. Let's break it down. Design and aerodynamics. The 2025 CBR600RR stays true to its aggressive, race-inspired silhouette but adds sharper bodywork and improved aerodynamics. Borrowing cues from its MotoGP sibling, the RC213V, the bike now features integrated winglets for enhanced high-speed stability. LED lighting all around and a compact tail section further emphasize its modern, track-ready look. Engine and performance. Under the fairings, the CBR600RR retains its proven 599 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, but it's been revised for better mid-range torque and emissions compliance. With refinements to the intake, exhaust, and ECU, the engine feels more responsive and eager across the rev range. Expect a smoother throttle and a top end that still screams, true to the 600RR legacy. Electronics and rider aids. Honda didn't hold back on tech for 2025. The new CBR600RR now comes with a full suite of electronics including ride-by-wire, multiple riding modes, a 6-axis IMU, cornering ABS, wheelie control, and traction control. The TFT display is crisp and fully customizable, giving riders access to detailed bike data and settings on the fly. Chassis and handling. The aluminum twin-spar frame returns with minor tweaks for improved stiffness and feedback. Combined with fully adjustable Showa suspension and radial-mounted front brakes, the CBR600RR continues to deliver razor-sharp handling, perfect for both canyon carving and track days. Lighter wheels help reduce unsprung weight, contributing to quicker turn-in and better agility. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda CBR600RR is more than just a facelift. It's a refined and modernized supersport that honors its roots while embracing the future. Whether you're a weekend rider or a track enthusiast, this bike offers an exciting mix of precision, power, and technology. Honda proves once again that the 600 cubic centimeters class is far from dead. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Updater Pro. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on the latest rides. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.